guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have a squishy package. I am so excited. I ordered two things, but they're really good squishies, and I got this from JennaLynSquishies. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, I'll get started and open it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll give you the first peek. If you can see anything. I don't actually know if you can. Oh gosh. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I am so excited. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh, it came in this bag. Okay, so oh my gosh, okay, I'm just gonna pull out something. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's a lot smaller in real life, but I don't care. Honestly, I do not care. Oh my gosh. It is so squishy. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is the Punimaru. Oh my gosh. Very strongly smells like blueberries. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, guys. I am so excited about this. Thank you, JennaLyn, for giving me this. But it was actually me that ordered it, so. Oh my gosh, okay. Next thing. Extras! Oh, I got tongue painter pebble pops. Ooh. Candy. Thank you for that. And it came in this cute little Hello Kitty bag. And then there's this thing. This tattoo. Thank you for that. It says delete, control, escape. Okay. Thank you so much for that. Okay. Another extra! Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. This is like my first ever extra in a squishy package. It's this biscuit. It says eat me. Oh my gosh. It's really soft actually. Thank you so much, JennaLynSquishies. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, last thing. Oh, there's more extras. This is so cute. It's a cat pin. Okay. And I think there's the last thing that I ordered. Oh, the Iridi apple. I got the rainbow. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so happy right now. Oh my gosh. Alright. Is there resealable packaging? There is. Okay. By the way, guys, I will be having another squishy squishy package opening very, very soon because I ordered another squishy package from JennaLynSquishies. But let's just focus on JennaLyn right now because they are amazing. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Do you see this? Oh my gosh. It's so pearlescent. Oh, this is my first like pearlescent squishy. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so, so soft. Do you hear that? Can we just take a moment and realize how slow rising this is? Like, oh my god. It's so airy. I'm sorry, I'm like freaking out right now. I'm sorry if I'm like overreacting, I'm sorry. I'm just really excited. Okay. But like, so happy right now, guys. Here's a little stem. Okay, here's another squish. Oh my gosh, it's so airy and so slow rising. I can't, guys. I can't even right now. I can't even. I usually don't say that, but I don't even know why I said that. But I can't right now. I cannot. It's so airy. It's super slow rising. I love it so much. Sorry I'm spending so much time on this squishy. I need to be ending my video now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know I did overreact. Sorry. I did overreact a little bit. And I was a little crazy in that video. But, you know, craziness is usually happiness, you know? And today it was happiness, you know? Because I was so happy to get this squishy package. Thank you so much for the extra, by the way, JennaLyn. I know I'm like acting really weird right now because I'm super excited. But yeah, so thank you so much, JennaLynSquishies, for the extras and the perfect squishies. I will definitely will be ordering from you again because it was great. And yeah, so again, thank you for the extras. Thank you for the good squishies, like them not being like defected or anything. At least I don't think so, but it would be okay because, like, you know, they're good squishies, you know. So yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this one. And yeah, so I'll see you next video. Bye!